Well, hello. Welcome to my shop again. I'm going to have a little news and views from Lyle here. Wanted to share some information with you. First of all, want to promote and let you know if you haven't already heard the American Association of Woodturners, AAW, doing a virtual symposium July 10th and 12th, just around the corner. Deadline is really close though. July 7th is a deadline to register. Only $20. You get 3 days of demos and discussions. And so even if you have heard about the symposium, many of you have already signed up, I know. So, what you may not have heard about is the vendor Zoom open hours that the symposium will have. And so, this is just like a vendor's area at a regular symposium, and you will get a link to my Zoom meeting that I'll have, and you can join me live, a visit in my shop. There'll be availability to vendors. I will have a complete open house that I'll be online live. You can visit my shop live from 12 to 6 through the whole symposium, and I'll be doing little demos or Q&A, questions of any kind, tool reviews, a live visit. I'll have show specials and discounts. So hope to see you. And for a 3-day event, must see. Very, very talented demonstrators and panels and instant gallery, all kinds of things that you would see in a normal symposium are all going to be accessible to you sitting in the comfort and safety of your own home. So check it out, and we'll see you next time.